Welcome to my channel. I show now mini maker for individual waffles, hash browns, keto chaffles with easy to clean, non-stick surfaces, 4-inch, aqua, more than waffles. Make your favorite breakfast classics, or get creative with waffled hash browns, cookies, and even biscuit pizzas. Any batter will waffle into single serving portions. Great for families or on the go, mini is mighty. With a 4 non-stick cooking surface, this is a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm, or camper/RV, and stores easily in a kitchen cabinet or drawer. Waffly easy. Simply plug it in and go. The waffle maker heats up in minutes. Dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results and delicious golden waffles every time. Non-stick surfaces make cleanup a snap. Perfect gift. The perfect wedding or new home gift. The waffle maker's small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Includes the mini waffle maker. Includes one mini waffle maker and recipe guide so you can get cooking right away.